to sanitize occupied areas quickly without needing to put on protective equipment or interrupting busy activities in the space? Larson Electronics handheld far UV sanitation lights offer maximum cleaning flexibility in occupied areas and germicidal power. Suitable for offices, schools, workstations, industrial buildings, business sites, restaurants, and more, these compact units are equipped with 222 nanometer far UV lights that eliminate up to 99% of bacteria, viruses, mold, and spores. The UV disinfection lamps are eye and skin safe and do not cause inflammation or burns on humans. This key safety feature allows the handheld cleaning devices to be used in occupied areas and around people without risk of UV exposure. To promote mobility around occupied areas, our handheld far UV devices come with long power cords or portable battery packs for a wireless rechargeable solution. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.